up, guys? I'm John Stacks, and this is the latest CoPart pickup. It's a 2008 Honda Civic LX with 85,000 miles, and the winning bid was only $1,450. It looks perfect from these three angles, but all the damage is on this side. This rear quarter is severely messed up, and then the door got damaged a little bit. When I just got it, the mirror was broken off, but in order to drive, I put a new one on. But other than that, this is exactly how it came from CoPart. For me, the best part about the entire car was how clean the interior was. This is probably from the lot guys just driving it around, but it's super clean. I'll add the link in the description of what the CoPart pictures were. And then it also came with two keys. This one and this one. That saves a lot of money too. And it's a run and drive, obviously. Those are the only cars I buy. Let me unlock that. Door works and everything, it's just a little bit beat up. It's a 5-speed manual. Carpets are probably in the trunk, haven't checked yet. Closer look at the damage. Barely any rust underneath. Yeah, it came with the carpets in the back. Nothing else back here. Spare tire. Front bumper cover has a little bit of damage. No check engine, nothing. Radio works. Clean in the back as well. Headliner's clean. A few dings on the hood. All the lights seem to be working. So no surprises from what I've seen on CoPart. All the pictures showed everything perfectly. No check engines, no mechanical damage, runs and drives. What do you guys think? Is $1,450 good or no for a car like this? The rear quarter is heavily damaged. I don't know how much that's gonna cost. But I mean, if it's too expensive, you could just daily the car like this. Maybe at least have somebody pull out this rear quarter instead of replacing it. Alright, thank you for watching. Please leave a thumbs up if you found this video helpful. And ask any questions you want about CoPart. I got a lot of cars from there. I might be able to answer some. And let me know down in the comments below if you think this was worth $1,450 or if you would pass because of the damage.